Hello everyone, welcome back to STAIL.MY Beauty TV. Well, I'm back. Hari ini nak borak tentang skincare routine. I've received products from Foreo. These are the two products that I received from them. Actually, I got three. The Foreo Ufo, Foreo Bear, dan Foreo Luna Mini 3. I've been using these products for the past month, and hari ini adalah saya rasa adalah hari yang paling sesuai sekali untuk saya share dengan korang semua apakah manfaat dan kebaikan menggunakan beauty devices daripada Foreo Sweden ini. And I am so excited to share this with you guys because I think this is from my personal opinion. Basically my review lah. Let's get started. Okay, first of all, I nak borak dengan korang pasal Foreo Ufo. I really love this colour, so I personally picked this colour blue. And every time I letak dekat muka, I was like, oh my god. And korang semua, if I have to like recommend one product from Foreo, apa yang korang patut beli atau dapatkan is definitely this one. Macam I adalah orang yang suka sangat pakai sheet mask everyday, kalau boleh everyday. But the thing is, device ni adalah memudahkan lagi kerja korang, especially untuk wanita-wanita ataupun jejaka di luar sana yang busy, sibuk bekerja seharian. So this is called Foreo Ufo. Diperkenalkan dengan teknologi smart masking. Kalau korang nak tahu, mask biasa usually korang akan apply dekat muka and let it be for like 15 to 20 minutes. But dengan menggunakan Foreo Ufo ni, actually korang hanya perlukan 90 seconds everyday. Foreo ada menyediakan beberapa mask pagi, untuk malam, untuk hydration dan sebagainya. So segala jenis masalah kulit ada, Foreo boleh bantu dengan mask dia. So basically what you have to do is you cabut this one, and then you put the mask, and then you tutup, and then you start. But before that, you have to download the Foreo application, which is called Foreo for you. And then bila dah tu, register your device, and then you can just continue using it lah. So basically I use this because I received two masks from Foreo juga, Make My Day, and also Foreo Khalid and Night. So basically I use this every morning and also guna ni pada sebelah malam. What makes this Ufo so special? So dia ada 5 main advantages lah. Yang pertama, the time saver. Like I said just now, dengan menggunakan Ufo ni, korang hanya perlukan 90 seconds of your time. And then dia beri better absorption. This is what I noticed after I use it for 90 seconds. And then they rejuvenate your skin like immediately, instantly. It locks in moisture. At the same time, they reduce the appearance of pores. That is what I perasan lah. If you guys love to go to facial, korang dah tak payah dah, because this Ufo from Foreo Sweden ni, this Ufo actually bagi, bukan saja dia bagi better absorption, dia evenly distributes mask ingredient. So some of mask bila kita apply, dia macam terletak macam tu je kan. But as for this one, you boleh guna tangan you and then you massage it, like literally massage every corner of your face. And also korang tak akan kedekut because you can apply like anywhere you want, like dekat celah-celah ni. Sometimes sheet mask biasa tak boleh nak dapat effect tu. This is the best. What makes this a must-have beauty device is because of the technology yang ada dekat dalam Ufo ni. Dia diperbuat daripada hyper infusion technology, yang mana ia membekalkan heating sensation, cooling sensation, and also T-sonic pulsations. Is the first one, thermotherapy mode, mana dia dibekalkan melalui heating sensation. So dia juga ada cryotherapy, which to refresh and instantly lift and also firm your skin, shrinking the appearance of pores, and also puffiness. And then the last one ada T-sonic pulsation, like semua Foreo ada. So this T-sonic pulsations is actually works to stimulate blood dekat dalam kulit wajah dan juga memberi kesan serapan pupur tu ke dalam kulit dengan lebih baik. So that is the function of T-sonic pulsation. Okay. So the thing about all Foreo devices yang korang kena tahu, korang kena connect it to the app. Like I said just now, you kena connect it to the app called Foreo for you. Melalui Foreo app tu, dia akan, if korang connect, korang akan dapat special treatment lah. It's actually a unique treatment yang connect between these two. So bersama dengan UFO activated mask, which is the mask yang disediakan oleh Foreo lah. So basically dia ada banyak. Every time you nak use it, you buka the app and then you scan the barcode, and then the app akan sediakan treatment yang sesuai dengan mask yang kamu gunakan. Excited kan? So every time I macam scroll Sephora ke Lazada, Foreo official dekat Lazada ke, I was like looking at all the mask, the UFO activated mask. So guna dengan Foreo UFO ni. Smart mask is actually made by the Korean experts. So when Korean mask experts meet Swedish beauty technology, legappo, boom. So I don't know what are the reasons yang korang tak patut dapatkan this Foreo UFO. Sebelum ni I tak tahu pun kehebatan UFO ni. Actually after dah guna, I was like, oh my god, I akan jumpa semua orang and beritahu semua orang, please use this. This is like the best. So from my experience, from my review point, I guna ni every day, morning and night. Satu box ni ada 7 mask dalam satu minggu, every day. And then what I noticed is that my skin is actually macam sebelum ni nampak dull. My pores appearance is actually ketara. After I use this, I can actually feel my skin a lot smoother than before. And then macam you tu tak boleh pakai makeup, you tak nampak all the pores. It's like you korang pakai primer yang blur effect, padahal you tak pakai pun. It made my day. Okay, it made my day. My favorite feature in this UFO is actually the LED light yang keluar masa you pakai this UFO. Bila you connect with your phone, and then you have to follow, and then bila dia keluar certain light, certain color light, dia akan tulis kat situ apa maksud red light tu, apa maksud green light tu. So from there you can actually study, oh, this is for anti-aging benefit. So lagi-lagi macam for me, when I use this, like nampak bila it goes to like red light, I will focus more on kawasan-kawasan senang muncul garis-garis halus dan kedutan. And also bila you pakai UFO ni, memang dia feel you macam dekat spa. Sebab every time you buka Foreo app and use this Foreo, you akan dapat, dia akan keluar bunyi lagu yang macam very menenangkan. And I was like, oh my god, I can sleep while doing this treatment. There's a good news for everyone who watches this video until the end, because we are doing a giveaway for our beloved readers. Can I say this is Raya giveaway? Saya dan Foreo sangat baik hati untuk memberi anda Foreo UFO. So that's all for today. Jika anda suka, komen di bawah ataupun tekan button like, and jangan lupa tekan bell notification. And please comment down below if you guys want any beauty review ke, atau nak tahu pasal produk apa, nak tahu macam mana guna ke apa, just comment down below. Selamat Hari Raya dan stay safe everyone. Bye.